Awesome. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be teaching you, yes, you who are watching. I don't care if it's one person. I'm gonna teach you. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna teach you how to make Kiara pot. I think that's how you pronounce it. And the way to make them is you go to level 40 something. I want to teach you this. Watch how to make cryopod, cryopod. This thing. This thing is pretty cool because um, you can actually, it's like a Pokeball where you can put your dinosaurs inside this ball. I call them Pokeballs. And you can actually store them. And once you build that, you need to store them actually somewhere here. Let me show you. You need to store them in a cryo fridge. Honestly, they are too far ahead. I don't know why. But yeah. So let's get right to it. So those are the levels. If you wanna go back specifically, just before we do level 51. 51, and you make this one, right? So I normally do it in the obelisk, like in the green one, because that's the closest one to me. There's also blue ones and also the red one. Whichever one is closest to you, you go there. And then what you will do is click to access the inventory, and then you will click on weapons, and it'll show right here. You can actually do them as well on the fallen obelisk, the ones that fall from the sky. You can also do it on those, but those are risky because what if it has a timeout and then you didn't do it in time? So I tend to not do those, but it's up to you really, up to your imagination. I don't want to kill it. And then what you will do is click on make, and whatever you make it, it's gonna pop up right here, supposedly. See? And it's gonna be available for 29 days or 30 days, which is pretty cool because it will give you enough time for you to level up, so you can create the fridge, the cryopod fridge, and that's how you make Pokeballs, or Master Balls in this case. I don't know, whichever favorite Pokeball you have. I'll leave it up to you. But yeah, guys, that's why I wanted a Beelzebub or a frog, because I actually need cement to make polymer. So yeah, um, thank you guys so much for watching. It was just a quick tutorial so that you guys can have a better trip with your dinos, and so you can carry them in case for emergencies. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stay safe, and I hope you survive another day in my Arcanians. Have a beautiful day.